Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Motorola Moto G87. So not having battery percentage is abnormal. That's why we want to restart the device to reset the battery sensor. And this is the most common fix. So press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, tap restart, and it is restarting now. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to the battery and we're going to enable battery percentage in the status bar. So we all know that we have battery percentage in the control center, but we also want it all the time at the status bar. It's just a preference, so we don't really need to do that, but if you do, then you can find it in the battery and battery percentage. Now we have our battery percentage right here. And of course, what are we going to do next is download the battery widget if it's still not working. So open Play Store and search for Battery Widget Reborn. So here, search for apps and games, type in Battery Widget and then Reborn. Make sure to download the version made by Tomasz Koubalik. So this one right here, do not install sponsored apps. Click here, click on install, and it is installing now. So as you guys can see, it's pending and it's less than 15 megabytes, so it will download pretty quick. So let's click open, and here we want to click on start automatically, and of course we need to click on consent. So now we can go over and hold our finger on the screen, tap widgets, and select Battery Widget Reborn 2026. We're going to click add, and here you can customize it a little, and I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. Here we have it. I'm at 94% and it matches everything, but if you see 0 or you don't see anything, then I would recommend going into Authorized Device Support Center and tell them about the issue, because it might be a not working battery sensor. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.